the results night of the third Battle of the Champions ng inyong paboritong talentadong Pinoy. Sa ilang sandali, malalaman na ng buong mundo kung sino ang tatanghaling third ultimate talentado. Pero bago yun, may konting sorpresa lang ako para sa ating mga talentados. To our 8 finalists, gusto ko lang sabihin, dito po sa Talentadong Pinoy, hangad namin, dahil believe kami sa inyong lahat, hangad namin na walang uuwing luhaan. Kaya, masaya akong sabihin na lahat kayo ay tatanggap ng 4-year college scholarship bilang regalo ng AMA University and Colleges. And the best part is, yung scholarship na matatanggap nyo lahat ay transferable. So pwede nyong ipamahagi yan sa inyong mga kamag-anak at sa inyong mga minamahal. Kaya guys, congratulations. At AMA, maraming salamat po sa inyo. And before we announce the big winner, ito pa, meron pa isang sorpresa. Isang special award. Actually, 3 ang ating special award. A Champion Detergent has chosen 3 talentados to be awarded as Champion's Choice, who will receive 10,000 pesos each. Ang 3 talentadong mananalo ay personal picks po ng champion and has no bearing with the final scores of our talentados. Again, choice po ng Champion Detergent ang tatawagin ko. And here are the 3 Champion's Choice. To win 10,000 pesos. Congratulations. Rise up. Congratulations. Champion Choice, Astro Boy. And our last Champion Choice, Sustantivo. So, once again, wala pong bearing sa score yan. Choice po yan ng Champion Detergent. Thank you very much, Champion. And guys, congratulations once again. Okay, eto na talaga. To award our 3rd Ultimate Talentado, we'd like to call on stage our past Ultimate Talentados, Yo-Yo Tricker and Joseph the Artist. And we'd also like to call on stage our young superstar, Judian Santos. And once again, our superstar, Miss Nora Honor. Wow, I can't stop staring at both of them, huh? Yeah. Ate Guy, Ate Juday, Juday. May superstar, dalawa, oh. Ate Sharon, nandun pa kanina. Thank you very much again. Pero sa ating mga talentado, congratulations. Malayo na ang inyong narating. Mula sa una ninyong pagtapak sa ating entablado, hanggang sa gabing ito, ang laki na ng inyong in-improve. In the eyes of the millions of viewers, you are all champions. Palakpakan po natin silang lahat. Okay, this is it. To win 1 million pesos, the brand new Chevy Cruze, and to become a representative in the World Championships of the Performing Arts in Hollywood, California. Ang ating 3rd Ultimate Talentado ay walang iba kundi congratulations! Congratulations to my parents for celebrating their 42nd anniversary. They're celebrating it today and they're joining us. Ma, Pa, I love you. And also to my brother and my sister-in-law who celebrated their 17th wedding anniversary yesterday. Congratulations, you guys. Sweetheart, maganda track record ng Agoncillo. May pag-asa. Pinapatawa ko lang po kayo mga kaibigan dahil alam ko tensyonado na kayo ngayon. But here it goes. Our third Ultimate Talentado is... Here we go! Congratulations! The brand new car, 1 million pesos. You go to Hollywood and you're our third Ultimate Talentado Pinoy champion. Congratulations, Astro Boy!